wants to show off his fancy coffee, latte, cappuccino, all of the above type maker.
It's the best way to start the day. You gotta start off with some chocolate coffee. That's how you do it.
Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of it. It's not sweet enough for me, but I mean, Kyle likes it. So yeah, we're heading to Cambridge today. Ashlyn and I went to this really awesome sushi place in London called Sticks and Sushi, and there's another one in Cambridge. So I wanted to take Kyle there, and that's where we're heading today. It's almost on Sushi Sumo level, but not quite.
So we made it downtown, just going a little breezy, so I don't know how well the audio is picking up, but yeah, chilly day today, but we're almost there. Yeah. It's neat to be back in this town. I haven't been back here for a while, but Chelsea was here for what, 2 times? Yeah. Just bringing her cousins through and showing them the area, doing some shopping, so just neat to be down. It's really busy today too. Chelsea's talking about this place and said that it's like Sushi Sumo, which is her all-time favorite sushi place back in Delaware.
I would go with this is more like Mickey Moto's. It's like, I like Sushi Sumo because they load sauces on there.
Yeah, it's like really heavy
and
kind of sushi.
This one's more fresh.
But when she said this one reminded her of the one back home, I knew we had to try it, get out there. At least I had to try it again. Yeah. We've been trying to find a good sushi restaurant in the area here.
They have these crab balls. It almost tastes like broccoli bites from Grotto's.
Yeah.
Which is weird to say, but they're really good.
Just all kinds of like shrimp on sticks and that kind of stuff too. Other fun appetizers. So I'm excited.
So this is all stuff that you can get like just like individually. So you pick what you want. So you make your own like meal. And then the stuff in the back is like set menus. So like if you don't want to decide what you want to get, like they have like meals that they've already like chosen. Oh wow. So it's like a mix of the appetizers and other stuff. Right. So like last time we came here, like I just chose what we wanted. Okay. No, it's prettier from this side. Yeah, drink. Alright, walk us through. This one is spicy tuna. This one, I don't remember what it is, but it has garlic on top. And that one, I don't remember what it is, but it has avocado on top.
Look really good.
So they're almost gone, but we got roasted duck, which I've never had duck in my life before. It was interesting. Salmon and scallops with bacon.
Good stuff. So that was it. It was super good. Definitely a place that we're going to go back to again. So if you guys are in Cambridge, check out Sticks and Sushi. Definitely recommend it.
And there's like another one in London.
Yes, so it's a little chain, a couple in the area. But we're going to go check out the shopping mall here called the Grand Arcade. Alright, so we're checking out the Disney store. We found this. What do you think, Tori? Does that look like something Raylan would want to wear? So by the time this video is edited and uploaded, we'll have to see if end up taking it home. Stacy, if you're watching this, I feel like this store would be very dangerous for you. It's amazing. A lot of really cool stuff.
Kyle decided that he should buy something.
That store is very dangerous.
Yeah.
Alright, so when you're in Cambridge, you gotta make sure you check out the Apple store. This is gonna be the future editing suite I like to call it. You guys set up on the desk. Yeah, you gotta dream big, but iMac Pro, maybe one day. It's beautiful.
We're not gonna buy it here. We're gonna get it where it's tax-free.
Yeah.
So we're just like looking at new cars, you know. Kyle's golf isn't up to standard, so like, why not just get a Tesla?
This thing is beautiful. I think it would look pretty good on it. The funny part too is it's the right side, it's the UK spec. I haven't seen one of those before. Alright, so we're headed back to the car right now. I got stopped by a security. Said you can't film, can't do time lapses when you're inside the mall there. So it was one where I had a cool shot and I thought it was gonna be awesome, and then they said, nope, can't do it. So just part of being a different country and just respecting their laws and making sure we're keeping everybody safe. So
follow rules.
Yeah. So headed back to the car park now, and I think that's going to be it for today in Cambridge. It was just fun to run around, do some shopping, got some cool stuff, and we're going to get back home in time so we can catch the rugby match with Ireland versus England. And it sounds like Ireland's going to kick butt today, but we'll see. Alright, we are back from Cambridge. That was a fun day, just running around the city for a little bit, but we got a little story we want to share with you guys. So this house is oil heat. We got a tank outside, and I'll show you an image down below of the meter that we have for our boiler. But when we moved in, it was half full, and they said it should last you a couple months, at least till like February, March, that kind of time frame. No, we burned through that so fast. I think we just had the house like too warm, like just the heat constantly running. So we called the lighting agency, and they're like, yeah, back off on your heat a little bit, and then you can prolong it. So we topped it off last month, I think.
Yeah,
it was
well,
like
Kyle was in Germany. They came and they filled the tank up.
Yeah, just got us back up to 100%. So we've been like wearing hoodies around the house and just trying to like bundle up a little bit more. Put some quilts and stuff on the bed just to kind of, you know, help at night. But that's probably like the worst thing is like when it's like 65 degrees in the house and then you climb into a cold bed.
I actually think our bedroom's colder than 65. It's like cooler than the rest of the house.
And you got a big window that's right by the bed too. So we're just trying to think of like, instead of doing space heaters and stuff like that, what can we do? So we picked up this guy, got on Amazon. This
girl, not guy.
this thing.
Yeah.
This is a electric blanket, and it's a super king size. So we found out that king size for England is a little bit smaller than like the American king bed. So what we're going to do real quick is this is like a mattress cover. It's going to go over the bed. It's dual control, which I think is really important because I don't like it quite as hot as Chelsea does. She's going to have like her tropical island on this side. But we want to show you it real quick. We're going to tear off the sheets, get it loaded, and then just kind of show you how it's all set up.
Working harder, making better, doing faster, makes us stronger, more than ever. Hour after hour, work is never over. Working harder, making better.
Alright, that's it. We're all set. Super easy. So now what you're probably thinking is like, okay, you got the heating pad on there, but you still got to come upstairs and turn it on, let it warm up. It takes a couple minutes. That's the thing.
That's what everyone thinks about. No,
yeah.
That's what goes on in Kyle's brain.
I was thinking too, I'm just like, hey, we could be a little bit lazy. So
we live in a smart house.
Yeah, I also picked up one of these. I got two of them actually, and what it is, come in a little bit closer so you can see, it's a smart plug and it doesn't need a hub. So what this does is it connects to our Wi-Fi, and then there's an app that goes with it. So we could just be hanging out watching TV downstairs in the living room and then say, oh man, I'm pretty tired, let's go to bed in like next 20 minutes or so. So just pull out your phone, turn on the blanket, and then boom, our bed is like nice and toasty before we even come upstairs. So just bringing a little bit of 21st century to this older home and trying to make it a little bit more convenient. All right, just had to show you the final product. This is the setup here. So the smart switch is here. This is just the camera light, and then to the extension cord to the lamp here. This is the control module then for the heating element itself. So got it synced up. You just open up the app here and you hit the little on-off button and boom, turns on. So I'm going to have this set up when I'm downstairs now, getting ready for bed. Click it on, it's on high, and we're cooking with gas. So we're just relaxing now, watching some rugby, trying to figure out the rules and everything. And it's Ireland versus England, and the UK does this thing where they have a channel, it's called ITV.
and they stream it live, so you can pick up on all the big games and some of the other TV shows and stuff. So it's kind of like if NBC were to just stream NFL games for free for people, no TV subscription or anything like that. So it's kind of cool, but go England.
Better, moving faster, makes sense stronger than ever. After our work is never over, never over, never